Hi everyone. I just have my massage and tonight, no? Ate Arlene is with me. Minasage niya ako ng 3 hours. My God, that's 3 hours. And thank you so much, Ate Arlene. Talagang na-relieve ako. Para nawala yung bigat ng katawan ko. So, in short, pumayat na ako. Hindi, joke. Alam mo yun, nakakatuwa lang. Kasi, parang na-relieve ako and, pagod ako for how many days eh. Alam yan ng mga aking friendship eh. Talagang wala akong pahinga. So, today, ayan, bigyan din natin ng ano yung katawan natin, no? We really need to have some massage sometimes. So, thank you so much, Ate Arlene. For those who want to have a massage, I can guarantee you, Ate Arlene is really good with that. And, so, bago ko mag-sleep, gusto kong ako, kinakain ko to eh. Alam niyo, pag pagod ako, and I don't have appetite kumain, nagko-coffee ako, nag-ano ko ng coffee. And ngayon, ayan yung itong kamote, balatan ko yan, tapos ilalagay ko dyan. Tulaw ang tawag niyan sa amin. But, na ano ng camera. But sometimes, ang ginagawa ko dyan is kanin. Ganun ang ginagawa ko. So, yun. Ganyan ang, ginagawa pag pagod ako. 'Di ba? So, thank you so much, Ate R.